All right, and we're recording. This is going to be a tutorial on how to back up your Mac, back up all your data of your Mac. So let's get right into it. Before you even begin, I recommend you prepare for the backup. So if you haven't heard of it, there's an application called Clean My Mac X that helps get rid of all the junk files on your Mac. And I recommend you use this application before you go through with the backup. You don't want to back up stuff that you're not going to use. So why not go through and just get rid of all that junk? So once you open the app, you go Smart Scan right here. And then you click Scan. And it's going to run you through the 3 cleanup processes. It's going to search for system junk, mail attachments, and trash bins. Once it's done, it's going to say run. You click run, and then it gets rid of that stuff. Makes more room for you on your Mac. The second thing is malware removal. If you've never run malware removal, you want to make sure that you just don't have any viruses on your computer. Run that through. Next, go to maintenance. You're going to see a bunch of toggles. I would recommend you toggle all of them on and just run through that maintenance process. This is going to help with the performance of your Mac. Next, you're going to see updater. This updater actually is able to update every and any kind of app on your computer. So it's nice because it's all in one place. Honestly, I use this more often than I use the App Store to update apps now, because it's all inclusive for updates, and I would recommend that as well. And it does cost money, but there's a free trial in the description below. That's how you prepare for your backup. Now, the recommended way to back up your Mac is going to be simply through iCloud. This is the simplest way, and it's just as good as backing up to an external hard drive. So to get to the screen, you go System Preferences, you click on Apple ID, and then you click on here, iCloud, and boom, you'll be here. You'll see a bunch of toggles. You can scroll down, there's more. Toggle everything. So toggle all of it, and now all of it's going to back up to the cloud. Also, sorry about that, under iCloud Drive, click Options, and I apologize for this. This is actually my 3rd time recording this, so I'm not going through with it again. Sorry about the calls. Okay, so toggle everything and optimize your Mac storage. This toggle here as well, and then click iCloud Drive. You'll see more toggles there. That's the recommended way of doing it. Now, what I'm going to show next is how to back up your Mac through an external hard drive. So first, if you don't have one lying around at home, you're going to want to buy an external hard drive. It can also be a flash drive, but an external hard drive is recommended. Make sure that your external hard drive is equal to or more storage than your Mac. And this one that we bought, it's only $60. Okay. once you've inserted your external hard drive into your Mac, you're going to want to format it. Format it will prepare the external hard drive for a backup. The way you do this is you go Disk Utility, and under External on the left, select the external hard drive, or whatever it's named. For us, it's iRepair Backup. Click Erase, select Format, and you'll probably get the option Mac OS Journaled. That's a great option. Before you click Erase, beware. This will erase all the data off the flash drive. So if you've been using this for anything else, move those files somewhere safe. Make sure this external hard drive, make sure the only purpose of it is for a backup of your computer. Don't have anything on there of importance to you, because it will erase it by reformatting. Once you're ready, click Erase. This will erase the external hard drive. It's going to get rid of all the information on it. It's also going to format it to macOS Extended Journaled, which is going to prepare the hard drive, the external hard drive, for a backup. Now, this is optional, but if you want to go the extra mile, I actually recommend you format again after that initial format, and you format it to APFS. Why do I recommend this? It's because APFS is actually a preferable format for backups. It's faster and it's all around better. And you might not get this option around the first time you're formatting. This option for me only came about the second time I formatted the drive. If you're in the same boat as me, you're gonna have to format twice. But again, macOS Extended Journaled is still a great option. This is an optional step, but it's my recommendation that you do format twice. The first time, format to macOS Extended Journaled, and the second time, format to APFS. And then hit Erase again to format. All right, now that your hard drive is ready for backup, you're gonna wanna open up Apple's backup application. It's called Time Machine, and if you haven't heard about it, Time Machine is your backup buddy that will do all the hard work once set up right. This is how you set it up right. So to find it, go System Preferences, click on Time Machine. Show Time Machine in menu bar, toggle that. Then click this, select Backup Disk. It also might, it might have auto selected for you as well. Here, let's see what step that is. Okay, so if you're following around here, we are on step 4 here. Okay. Okay. Click Select Backup Disk. It might have auto selected for you if you're lucky. And then select your external hard drive. And this is very important. Encrypt your backup, and I'll tell you why. If your external hard drive ever gets stolen, you don't want to worry about somebody else having access to your information. You probably have a bunch of important information on your backup, so it is an extra step. You have to create a password, but it's worth it because you'll never have to worry about, you'll always have privacy over your data if you encrypt your backups. click Encrypt Backup, click Use Disk. You'll have a pop-up to create a password and a hint. Go ahead and create a password. And then boom, Time Machine now recognizes it. Time Machine now recognizes that this is where you want your backups to go. They're working together now. Okay. And now you're literally all set up. All you have to do is initialize your very first backup. And the way you're going to want to do that is by using the Time Machine Mac menu bar icon to back up your Mac anytime you like. So click on this and click Backup Now. I'm not going to do it, and I'll tell you why. I made this video already 2 times. This is my 3rd time recording all of this again, and when I click on it, it crashes my screen recording software. I made that mistake once, and then I got so into the tutorial the 2nd time around that I made it twice. I'm not making it again. I'm not clicking this, but do click on it, and it's gonna back up your Mac. That's pretty much it. There's some additional steps here, but you're pretty much all cut up. You pretty much know everything you have to. You're in the know, you know how to make backups. It's very useful information going forward. If you're a Mac user, if you're sticking with Apple, you can always have this information in your arsenal. You can teach somebody else how to back up and be helpful as well. But the additional stuff is this. In System Preferences Time Machine, if you've toggled backup automatically, let me show you. Right here, if you toggled backup automatically, then you're going to want to go and download the app Time Machine Editor. Some Mac users find their Mac slow down when Time Machine is actively backing up. This useful utility allows users to schedule backup times to when the Mac is not in use. So you'll open Time Machine Editor and you just toggle backup when inactive. There's going to be a link for this app, Time Machine Editor, in the description, and I'll recommend it if you prefer to have backup automatically on. Okay, so let's say this. Your Mac catches on fire. You have to buy a new Mac, and all you have is your external hard drive. What you're going to want to do is plug your external hard drive into the new Mac. Go to the Apple logo and click Restart. As soon as the screen turns black, press and hold Command and R at the same time, and the screen is black. Continue holding these until the Apple logo pops up. Then you can let go. The Mac will be booted into macOS Recovery, and from there you select your language. Next, on macOS Utilities screen, select Restore from Time Machine Backup. Click Continue. Insert external hard drive if you haven't already. Select external hard drive and click Continue, and then just follow the prompts. They should guide you through the rest of the process. And I know a visual is more helpful, so I'm gonna leave a very useful tutorial in the description below for how to set up a new Mac or even restore the one that you have using an external hard drive. And if you bought a new Mac and the Mac that you're currently using is fine, you're going to want to migrate your old Mac info. It has nothing to do with a backup. There's something called a Migrate Assistant. So I'm going to leave a tutorial how to use Migrate Assistant in the description below. A bonus: if your external hard drive is somehow damaged, I recommend Disk Drill to recover the backup. You can watch a tutorial on the matter here, and I'm going to leave a link in the description as well. You can get Disk Drill for free via 1 month setup free trial. Link in the description. Whole bunch of links, whole bunch of info. I hope I've been helpful, and I hope you know now this is really useful information, and I thank you for watching. Take care.